Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be unboxing the summer 2018 Fabfitfun box. I absolutely think this thing is amazing. I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys wanted to sign up. It is more of an expensive box. It is $49.99, but it is quarterly, so you're going to be getting it every season, so just 4 times a year. I definitely think it is worth your money. Every box you're going to be getting over $200 in products. Everything is full sized. You get health stuff, you get fitness, you get lifestyle, you get beauty, and everything in between. I absolutely think this box is incredible. So like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys wanted to sign up. It feels really weird filming again because I haven't filmed in so long. But anyways, so this is what the box looks like this month. It is super cute, definitely a very summer-esque vibes. In this quarter, they have collabed with Wildlife Conservation Society. It always tells you on the box who they have sponsored with or supported with. So that's for this month. So let's take a look inside. So this is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna set this down because it's pretty freaking heavy. Every month you will get a pamphlet inside of it that tells you all of the products inside, how to use it. Also articles on who they sponsored with or who they partnered up with, digital offers and promos, stuff like that. So on the front page it does tell you everything that's in the box. I'm not gonna look at that right this second. I already see some stuff right on top that I'm super excited about, so let's get into it. So right on top you have a Fabfitfun card, and it does say pass this card on to your friend, they'll get $10 off their first box. There is a little code that you can write on it and then send it to your friend as like a little postcard, which I think is super cute. First up, I'm gonna grab this Pier 1 Imports box. It doesn't say anything on it. Oh, it's a little dish. Oh, that's so cute. So it's this little marble dish. You could put your rings or your keys. This would be cute on your bedside table or in your bathroom. You can put earrings and stuff on it. It has this gold outer rim, which I think adds a nice little touch. And I am definitely going to be using this guy. So it tells you right on here that the Pier 1 Imports marble ring dish retails for $14.99. And the tip it has is place it near the kitchen sink so you can take your rings off before doing dishes, which I think is totally funny. Next up, I see this little kind of card holder wallet thingy. So this is by Minor History. Oh, okay, so you can put your cards or a little bit of cash, something in there, and then it kind of just closes up over the little gold button, and it's kind of a little wristlet. I think that's super cute. Definitely something easy to take with you when you're going out and you don't want to carry everything, or definitely on vacation. You can put your ID, credit card, and like a hotel key or something in it, so that's super cute. Definitely love the coral and gold. So it turns out this was one of the 3 items that you were able to receive. So you could have gotten the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzyme Cream, the sports loop bands, or you could got the Minor History Postscript wallet. This retails for $20, and its tip says heading to the hotel pool, keep your room key and some cash in this wallet and you're good to go. Exactly like what I was saying. Definitely can see myself using this summer. Next up, I see this Marinella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. Ooh, I need to smell this. Oh, that smells so good. I don't want to show you guys because it's separated. You can see the oil and salt and everything that's separated, but I'll definitely give you guys a close-up. It is like literally black sugar and salt. It's really cool. So this stuff smells amazing, and I can definitely feel the sugar and salt in there. It feels so good on the hand. Great for exfoliating, 100%. I am totally excited for this product. This is something that I probably wouldn't have picked up myself, and that's why I like getting these boxes, because it lets you try a variety of things, you know, that you wouldn't necessarily sometimes get. Sometimes it's a good thing, like a really good thing, and then sometimes you're like, oh, you know what, no, it's not the greatest. But I've never been disappointed with any products inside of my Fabfitfun, ever. So I just washed that off. I feel like you can see where I scrubbed. That's so weird. Oh my god, I love it. Smells fantastic. Oh, it leaves definitely a fragrance on your skin, but it smells so good. So it looks like that was also one of the 3 that you could choose. So you could either get the ring, the body caviar, or a muscle gel. So I definitely wouldn't have probably liked the other ones. So I'm really happy that I got the body caviar. That caviar retails for $48 for this guy. $48. Holy crap. The tip is, in the bath or the shower, massage the caviar onto wet skin, gently rub, rinse off with warm water, and pat dry. So super excited to try this. I know my body is going to love the exfoliation. Okay, next up is this Almus Papaya Enzyme Peel Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator. I love exfoliators. I have very textured skin, so anything that's gonna, you know, get away the dead skin and unclogged pores is my best friend. It doesn't really smell like papayas. It's very citrus. So I'm just gonna read up a little bit more about this one. So this was one of 2 products that you could get. You could have either gotten the Orlando Pitta Play Hair Protectant or the Almus Papaya Enzyme. This retails for $45 just for this. $45. For the tip, it says, apply the peel to clean, toweled, dry skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It will feel like a heavy cream, not like a standard mask, and can be rinsed off with lukewarm water. That's cool. Next up is something really exciting. It is the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I'm so happy I didn't purchase this because I know that this might have been in the box. I'm super excited to have my hands finally on this bad boy. Oh my goodness. I love Tarte. I love their brand. Can we just talk about the packaging? Oh my god, I haven't even touched this in Sephora or anything. I just wanted it and I knew I needed to have it, but I'm happy I didn't get it because I got it in this box. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So exciting. So this is what it looks like right here. It looks like you have 5 powders and 1 cream contour. So you have Lit, Strobe, Fire, Stunner, Shade, and Sculpt. So I've already noticed from me just swatching them, the only thing that I don't like is having all these powders and then having this 1 cream down here, because I feel like all the powders are going to leak into the cream contour and it's just going to be a mess. I wish they kind of put like a cap on it, or I guess you could technically close this side while you use these ones, but like what if I want to have this highlight right at the top, you know what I mean? So I feel like that was just kind of a packaging mishap or whatever, but the colors are absolutely stunning. I will definitely get usage out of almost all of these. This cream is a little bit darker, but if you blend it out, you can make it work. Super excited that I got this one. This was actually one of 2 that you could get. Both of them were by Tarte, but one of them would have been the Progo palette, which is what I got, or you could have got the Progo palette to go with the Kitten liquid liner. So the palette that I got was $45 and the Kitten one would have been $43. So the tip is, it's more than a contour kit. Use the shades to fill in your brows or shimmery eyeshadows. I'm definitely all about using palettes for different things. I use eyeshadows most of the time to fill in my brows, you know, so like I definitely can use these as eyeshadows. You can use them as inner corner or under the brow bone highlights. Totally worth it, and I am super happy that I got this one in my box. So only a couple more items. I'm just gonna get this one out of the way because I know exactly what this is. This is the Foreo Luno Fofo. Oh my god, I am so excited to have this. This is the new one that came with the app, which is really cool. So you can download it on your phone, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna tell you how hydrated your skin is, the age of your skin, the problems, combo, dry, texture, whatever it is. And it's actually gonna sync all that onto the app on your phone. It's gonna tell you how well your skin is reacting to the product. It's gonna let you know that your skin is getting better with what and whatnot. It's really cool. So on the back here it says, measures your skin moisture, reveals the age, customizes cleansing routine, and app records your progress. And the Foreo Fofo has AAA batteries included for up to 400 uses. I don't know if this is the one that you can put new batteries in and like keep it, or if it's just after the 400 you have to throw it out, which I find really stupid. Like, you know how they have ones that you can charge? 100% down for that. I had to get my handy dandy cow scissors to open this bad boy. So I'm just gonna show you, I got the pink one, and then these 2 little gold dots on the back are what you're gonna hold around your face so that the app can record and sync with how your skin is. So I turned it on there. I don't know if you guys can really hear it. What it's going to do is it's going to go on for a minute. It's going to pulse when you need to change from one section to another section of your face. And then the back here is when you're going to hold it, and it's going to sync the app to what your skin is. So I think this is really cool. I'm really happy that I got one of these. I had one of the little Foreo Luna Plays, the mini ones. and I loved it. I just thought it was too small because it wouldn't get all the way around my face. This will definitely do its job. It has bigger bristles at the top and smaller ones near the bottom. To help exfoliate, what you're gonna do is you're gonna run it under water, you're gonna pump your cleanser on top of it, and then you're just gonna, you know, work it and do its magic. So I'm super excited to have one of these, and these guys aren't, you know, these guys are worth a pretty penny. We were actually the first people to receive the Foreo Fofo in the Fabfitfun box even before it was released. So I think that's cool. We got like kind of like an exclusive launch. So on here, the Foreo Luna Fofo retails for $89, and the tip says avoid clay or grainy cleansers as they may damage the silicone touch points. And again, because they're silicone, they don't hold bacteria. You don't have to worry about that. So happy I got one of these. I cannot wait to use this. 2 things left in the box. Next up, I have a Sport Coola Classic Sunscreen, a White Tea Moisturizer, Organic Sun Care Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I do like Coola. I've had a couple things from them before. So super excited to have this for summer. It's definitely a summer essential you need to have, especially for your face. I'm gonna put some of this on. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Definitely can smell the white tea. There's like jasmine or something in here too. Smells so good, and that actually soaked up in my skin really quickly. So love that. It does kind of have that sunscreen smell, and it does kind of get a little bit more tacky the longer you leave it on, but I'm totally okay with that because it is a sport one. It's going to be able to go in and out of the water, you sweating, running around. So I think that's great. And this is the classic face one. So I'm assuming maybe they have one for oily or sensitive skin. It says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating, immediately after towel drying, every 2 hours, blah, 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 blah. So super excited to have this. Definitely will be using this summer, hands down. So like the dish, everyone was going to be getting the Coola face sunscreen as well. That retails for $32, and the tip is apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and immediately after swimming, sweating, or towel drying. Totally agree. I love the smell of that, and I definitely will be using that 100%, probably even tomorrow. And then last but not least is the big microfiber beach towel. I'm so excited to finally take this out of its packaging. I was waiting so long to use this because I didn't want to touch anything. But I knew I was getting this one. So this was one of the ones that you could choose, again, customizing 2 different designs of makeup cases and 2 different designs of the towels. I obviously had to pick the pineapple. So this is Summer and Rose Beach Towel. It retails for $55. And the tip is it's not just for the beach. Take it out for a picnic or for a movie night underneath the stars. It's microfiber, so nothing sticks to it. I'm just gonna back up and I'm gonna show you guys the design. So that's what it looks like right there. Cute yellow pineapples with little hearts. I definitely think that is super cute. I'm so excited to use this. I have a pool in my backyard, and this is going out on my deck ASAP. And it is microfiber. You can feel it. Definitely nothing's gonna stick to this, and it's gonna soak up water like crazy. So I am super excited to have this, and I think that was everything in my Fabfitfun box, guys. So like I said, I purchased this box for $49.99, and my box this month retailed for over $348.99. Guys, you need to hop on this ASAP. Hands down, one of my favorite subscription boxes ever. It never disappoints, and like I said, $49.99 quarterly, so it's not every month. I definitely think you could save up and get it. I have never been disappointed. I cannot wait for the fall box, sweater weather and freaking cinnamon and pumpkin everything, and then the winter with cozy, you know, and mugs and stuff like that. Honestly, if you don't have it, please jump on it right now. I will leave the link in the description box below. You will not be disappointed. But I'm not done with this video right now. I actually purchased a mystery box. They do have add-ons every single quarter if you wanted to purchase add-on stuff. So I'm going to get into that, and I definitely think you guys need to see this. So on their main screen, it shows that you can purchase add-ons, and every time they have a mystery bundle. It's $29. You have no idea what's inside of it. I don't even think they know what they're sending you. And I was just like, you know what? Let's just take a gander. I had a $10 credit. I was like, I'll use it towards that. I'm literally paying $9 for this mystery bundle. I was like, hey, I'm gonna do it. And I'm so happy I did. So it came in the same box as my Fabfitfun. It was just separate. It came in this little clear plastic bag. It wasn't wrapped or anything. They were literally just like this next to the box. I have 4 items. Sometimes there's 3, sometimes there's 5 or 6, give or take. But I was just like, you know what? Let's just do it. I paid $9. Like, come on. I got 4 things in the mystery bundle. I'm first off gonna start with the Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. This is an 8-ounce tube, and guys, I'm gonna pull up beside me if I can insert a little picture of like the Sephora app with the price or whatever. But guys, this retails for $50. $50! 8 ounces of this styling cream by Living Proof retails for $50. I paid $9 for this bundle. I was like, what? That's crazy. So super excited to try this. I only tried, I think, like the overnight caps or something from Living Proof. So I'm definitely gonna try this. It smells wonderful. And I can't believe that this was in the mystery bundle. Like, what? Next up, also in the mystery bundle, I got the Tarte fan brush, and again, I'll pull up a little thing on the Sephora if I can. This guy retailed for $39. $39 for this brush, and I paid $9 for it. Like, what? So it's in the Rainforest of the Sea packaging, and same with the brush itself. I love the purple to the gold. Like, if I ever came out with a brush company or like something like that would be my colors. It's just a typical fan brush you can apply the highlight for. I even see some people who contour their nose with fan brushes now, so, you know, makeup is anyone's game. So I'm just shocked that they added in this as well as that $50 cream. Like, what? But it doesn't stop. I then have an ESYM Hydrating Face Mist in Rose. This isn't on Sephora, but I did look it up on the internet, and this retails for $24. It's just a regular hydrating face mist. The mister on it is pretty good, and it does smell like roses. I love it. I definitely think this would be something to add, like, you know, when you're in a bath or when you're having a pampering day, you know, just something to put on your face and hydrate. It smells wonderful. I'm so excited to use that, especially in this hot, sticky weather that we're having here. And then last but not least is this Cocoage, I don't know how to say this, Cosmetics. This is cocoa powder, 24 karat gold body scrub brown sugar. This is 9.5 ounces. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? $79.95 for a body scrub. What? $80 for a body scrub. Are you kidding me? Like, what? This has to be made with actual like flakes of gold or something. Like, that's unbelievable. But it's just a brown sugar body scrub. This is definitely something I'm gonna save for those luxury nights with a bath, that face mist, you know, a candle that I got from last month's Fabfitfun, all that stuff. So I am just blown away that I literally paid technically $9, but it's 19, or oh my god, I said $9. The bundle is $29 and I got a $10 off, so I technically paid only $19 for these products, and my first product was over $50. Like, I don't get how they do it. Anyways, so if you guys have Fabfitfun, and if you can, get it before they're gone, because the add-ons go really freaking quickly. Add on the mystery bundle, and let's find out what we get next time with the fall box, which I'm super excited about. So that was everything in my Fabfitfun and my mystery bundle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Comment down below what your favorite item was in this month's box, and I will see you next time. Bye!